Last weekend when I was at Tommy's and we were moving the dump truck, we cracked this bucket. Now I have no heavy metal repair experience, but I'm a welder, so I'm gonna weld this thing back together. So what happens with the thumb when you disconnect this? Does the thumb stay with it?
Yeah, this will, because we're just taking this pin and this pin out.
Okay, perfect.
Let's knock this little, knock the big one out first. Punch it. A bar, a small bar.
Why? Because you don't want to hurt this?
You're gonna damage
No,
it.
it's already, look, it's already been smashed
okay,
on.
that'll work.
This
That'll
is my
work.
drift.
Where's our hammer that we took out?
Here you go.
Okay.
The other one's in the field forever now.
Yeah, it's in the field. So this is where you move the bucket so you don't have tension. There it is.
This is a pretty thick piece of metal. I'd say it's about 1/2 inch, and we can see it bent the bucket this way. It's curved. It curving, obviously a curve runs a longer, what are the words I'm looking for? A straight line is a more direct route than a curved line, thus being a curved line, the metal expands, so that's what cracked it. My initial plan was to plate it, but I just don't think it needs it. I think the reason it cracked was not because of the force and it doesn't need a plate. It's because that chain yoinked it that way on a tooth, like right here. Curving it, bending it, breaking it. In this scenario, a simple weld should suffice. I just need to cut into it, make a V, fill it. Looks like it stopped there. We want to go ahead and cut the weld all the way out. I used to work at a machine shop, and our shop didn't drill and pin cracks, but I know we had employees that came from other shops where that's what they did. And what I learned from that is you want to get rid of the crack as far as it goes, because I don't know the physics of it. Maybe you know, maybe you can leave a comment. I'm not too worried about it. All I know is I want to cut the crack all the way out. Send it at least 1/4 inch past where it looks like it ends. I've never repaired a tractor bucket, skid steer bucket, none of that. But I've welded between 500 and 1,000 drive shafts together, and 0 failures. Typically the tube is the weak link, so I would not expect any. But we're gonna just fix a bucket. Nothing to it, don't overthink it. The main thing I wanna make sure of is that I have enough penetration, and on something this thick, I might need to put some heat in it. very close now. I can just still see some stuff I don't like in there. So I'm gonna cut all that crap all the way out. We can still see the crack. Two cutting wheels and one flap wheel later. That's what we have here. I'm happy with what we got. Pretty decent chamfer. I gotta fill quite a bit, but that's what I want. I'm gonna go ahead and preheat it. I really do like MAP over propane, but the perk of propane is it kind of brings everything up slower versus having hot spots. Plus, I'm out of MAP gas. That's the main reason we're using propane. Like that, something like that. And we will bust out the welder. Yes, I just spilled my punched out catalytic converter and I don't want to talk about it because I don't like breathing that stuff. We're starting to purple out, which I like. That means we're hot. That one penetrated better. I was getting a lot of splatter, and that's gonna be because I dialed the voltage up so much, but I wanted that penetration. I want to buzz the other side before it cools down. I did go ahead and grind out this weld that I did not like because it was on lower voltage. So I'm gonna buzz that, fill into here, wire wheel it. I went ahead and ground it down. I don't know why I did. I was thinking that the thickness might affect the digging, but then I started thinking about how powerful that tractor is and how it would be so negligible that I probably shouldn't worry about it, but then I didn't know what to do, so I just ground down one side. The inner one I'm just leaving raw, and that's what we got. I didn't even wire wheel it yet. I'm gonna shoot to town real quick and grab some Kubota orange paint I have red, but it's not close enough. I feel like if I painted it that color, it'd be worse than painting it a random orange. It is the next day. Last night I went to Home Depot and got some desert coral flat. Unfortunately, they didn't have gloss, so it's not gonna look the best. That's a joke. It's a bucket. Honestly, pretty good paint match if I do say so myself. Look at that. And called is good. And just how I didn't want to grind down the weld, I don't want to remove this dirt because that's good structure too. Just paint that stuff in. Call it a rebuild. Transmission rebuilders. I don't know what I'm doing. Why am I painting this? This is what happens. When I start painting something, I just keep painting. My theory is also that the paint will make it more obvious if it fails and cracks again. We'll be able to visually see it. It will be like before where we can see a giant crack. Good as new. And that is how I repaired that Kubota tractor bucket. I am actually curious. Do y'all think I should have stick welded it? I've never been huge on stick or flux core. I don't know if there's any benefits. I try to be real most of the time, so I consider myself a real mega. Make sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you guys next time. Well, the rest of the day, I'm gonna put rear shocks on this. My car dealer was supposed to do it, but we're gonna have to cut his cut in half. Fire me, dude. You're done, brother. Done. Gotta do everything around these parts.
That's what it is, dude.
Am I gonna have to detail this thing myself too?
Detail.
Everything.
But I still want to get paid.
And that is what a blown shock looks like. Much better. Always do shocks in pairs. This is the really blown one. This one was starting to go. And when you have one really blown one, like in that back right, it teeters the car, so it's gonna exert force on that front left. We at least did the rear pair. I'm calling that good enough. I'm not making love to these cars anymore because I was gonna do the rear wheel bearings just because it's part of the recipe. Whenever I do rear shocks, I do rear wheel bearings. I don't know why I do this. I'm making way too much love to these cars. This thing's ready to go. It got a rear pair. I'm doing better than most. Oh, it rides like a dream now. And the new windshield, this thing's good. Little clunk. I'm telling you guys right now, sway bar bushings. Not the links, the bushings always do that. 20 bucks at AutoZone for energy suspension. I'm gonna go pick up a set now. Look at this bushing. I think we got a bad link too though, over here. Yeah, bad link, bad bushing, set. So now it gets sway bar bushings and links. I normally have a set on the shelf. Well, I dug around in there, did not find any sway bar links, so anti-sway bar links, technically. So I'm gonna go ahead and order some off Amazon. 13 bucks, 53 reviews, 4.3 stars. That will do fine. So I'll take care of that in a few days when these are in.